Imagine this. You are in the car, driving down the road, whether you're headed to a friend's house or you're headed to your family's house. Whether you're trying to change your playlist or pick your favorite song, or you're just going to ride with the windows down and enjoy the view. All of a sudden, your phone goes off. You receive a notification. Do you grab your phone and look at it? Or do you ignore it and just keep riding until you've reached your destination? In the United States, 23.6 drivers are texting. Do you think that's a high percentage? It doesn't seem like it, does it? But just imagine, or if you are in that percentage. Because quite often, we all have picked up our phones while we were driving. Whether it's to take a look at the notification we got, or whether we're trying to change music on our phone, or whether we're just simply making a Snapchat. At some point, we all have texted while we were driving. Texting and driving is an extremely dangerous and selfless thing to do. It can cause you to not only harm yourself, but other drivers as well. First, we will discuss why texting and driving is so dangerous. Secondly, we will discuss what causes texting and driving to be so dangerous. Finally, we will discuss why texting and driving should be illegal. Even though it's illegal in some states, we will discuss why it should be legal around the whole entire world. The distractions behind texting and driving are profoundly serious. And again, they can cause you to not only harm yourself, but others. According to Cigna Business Media, they have an article, Thumbs Down on Texting While Driving. It states, an average text causes drivers to look away from the road for 4.6 seconds. While driving at 55 miles per hour, a vehicle travels the length of an entire football field when a driver isn't looking. Cell phones themselves are a huge distraction. Whether you are changing the playlist, talking to a family member or friend. How is it possible to do all of this without taking your eyes off the road? In comparison to drunk driving, 17.3% of accidents are caused by drunk driving, while 23.6% of drivers are texting and driving. Although while they both are very dangerous, it seems that the 23.6% of drivers that are texting is highly more dangerous than a 17.3% of accidents caused by drunk drivers. There are 1.6 million car crashes a year, with most of them happening because for a split second, we have taken our eyes off the road. Texting is dangerous to do while driving. You can cause an accident, and then you could not only harm yourself, you could harm others. Texting while driving is 6 times more likely to cause an accident than drunk driving. The National Traffic Highway Safety Organization states that sending or receiving a text takes a driver off the road for an average of 4.6 seconds, which is the same as when traveling at 55 miles per hour, the length of an entire football field while being blindfolded. Wilson Keiko Wingham states that dangers of texting and driving are anything that takes your attention away from a split second. Today's cell phones do a lot more than just make calls. They can be used for texting, taking pictures, entertainment, navigation, anything. Texting on your cell phone is one of the most dangerous types of distractions while driving, simply because it requires so much of your attention. You are looking at your phone thinking about what you're about to type and taking a hand off the steering wheel to do it. There are many ways we can stop all of this from happening. We can make texting while driving illegal. While driving, you now have the option to place your cell phone on a mode called Do Not Disturb. During this mode, all notifications will be silenced. That means you won't receive a text notification. You won't receive a phone call notification. You won't receive any type of social media notifications due to this mode being on your phone. Doesn't that sound more safe? We can also make texting and driving illegal. Although the majority of 48 states have banned texting while driving for all drivers, including 44 states with primary enforcement and 4 states with secondary enforcement. In an article on Maui News, there is a campaign going on that police traffic officers will increase enforcement of drivers using cell phones. A part of this campaign is a part of the You Text, You Pay. The phrase is catchy, isn't it? In conclusion, cell phones are all types of distractions while driving. But to text while driving, that is extremely dangerous. Think back to my very first question. You receive the notification. You know it's there. Do you take your eyes off the road for 4.6 seconds to grab it and handle it and respond to it? Or do you wait until you've safely reached your destination? Thank you.